We continue reading Ray Bradbury's A Sound of Thunder, Part 3b. A Tyrannosaurus Rex, the Tyrant Lizard, the most incredible monster in history. Sign this release. Anything happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry. Eccles flushed angrily. Trying to scare me. Frankly, yes. We don't want anyone going who will panic at the first shot. 6 safari leaders were killed last year, and a dozen hunters. We're here to give you the severest thrill a real hunter ever asked for. Traveling you back 60 million years to bag the biggest game in all of time. Your personal check's still here. Tear it up. Mr. Eccles looked at the check. His fingers twitched.